Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'm going to show you right now how I battle, if there are food shortages in your area, how I battle that every year early on in the year. As you know, during winter there's not much production of food, at least for the northern hemisphere, and everybody's just waiting. Typically asparagus is the first one to get harvested, but people are just waiting for greens after a winter of no greens. Or very lack of variety of greens during the winter. And what I always allow is my plants to self-seed. As you can see right here, all the flowers. One, it's amazing attractant to pollinators like the bees. And two, I don't have to do any work. You can see the seed pods are starting to grow. And look at the production I get, especially with the soil. Look at the soil, everyone. This is what I'm talking about of the wood chips. Let me get something to dig with. I don't want to get my hands dirty right now. This is like 2 feet worth of wood chips almost, decomposed over years. And look at the soil. Look at this. Soft, moist, and full of life. And what you'll get is this. And also this huge, gorgeous leaves. Not one that I could see bug bite. Look at this. Just healthy plants. I don't spray any pesticides. What? You know, there might be some bug bite somewhere, but just huge leaves, just all around me. This is where I get my greens for the year, for the early on in the season. Just look at the sheen, everyone. Please, if you're watching, this is my 905th video. Just talking over and over. Just mimic nature. Lay down wood chips. Help your soil by adding organic fertilizers in the beginning. Foliar feed if you must, which, you know, in some cases nature kind of does. They say the Sahara Desert, the sand from there falls onto the Amazon, which adds phosphorus, so it's kind of like foliar feeding. But look at this, everyone. Doesn't this look like a portrait? Like a painting? This video kind of took a turn. I just want to talk about how to feed yourself, but I'm almost going to hit 1,000 videos soon, everyone. And I just still get comments of that I'm lying, that I'm telling people to do the wrong thing. I'm surrounded by food. If you are hungry, especially during our current situation right now, I have enough food to feed 5-6 families. Just right here. Right here. Not including the purple tree collar that's all over there. And the rest of my big backyard garden and the side garden and the front yard garden. I don't know what to title this video now. I don't know what. Right when I saw this and how beautiful this looks, I don't know what else to do. I have gotten so many questions online over these past 2 weeks, even 3 weeks, on Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok, on YouTube, and people are even crying, saying, I don't have enough food. I don't know what to do. You know, I reply, did you listen to what I was doing or just watching me for entertainment? No, I was listening, but I wasn't implementing much of it. Everyone, this isn't for entertainment. I'm not doing this for money. I'm not doing this for subscribers. Everyone, I'm almost at 1,000 videos. 1,000. And I haven't even passed 3,000 subscribers. Anyone else would have just quit if that was the reason. I don't do this for subscribers. I do this for my children to watch my videos. Look at this, everyone. Look at the leaf. No, I don't do anything. I don't know what else to tell everybody. I don't do anything. I just walk out here, say, okay, what can I do? Okay, I'm going to pick up dog poop and maybe pull out 5-10 weeds, and I'm done for the day. I'm in a jungle, everyone. It's March. In summer, you won't even be able to see that house because there'll be so much foliage. Yeah, I took a turn on this video. I pumped out 5-6 videos today in my phone, ready to edit, all back to back, and I'm on my 5th one right now, and I don't know. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do after 1,000 videos either, to be honest. I thought about it last year. Should I just stop? Should I just make all my videos private after that? Because I'm not doing this for entertainment. Because it comes with horrible comments about me and my family, or even comments about my dog, negative and rude and disgusting sometimes. And is it worth it? This video definitely took a turn. Everybody, please listen to me. You can only feed yourself. Don't rely on somebody else to feed you. Happy gardening.